Hello guys, welcome to a new video. We are going to be playing a game. It's going to be Dead Island. I'm starting my timer, and you can see the cutscene. I think Jack should play this game. I don't know if he'd like it, but Woohoo!
This is Kilo 2. Proceeding with mission to find Mole. Please respond.
Locate Mole.
Please respond.
This channel should remain clear. What is it?
Unknown biological outbreak on Narapella. Appears contained to the labs.
Are you safe?
What's on?
What is the nature of the outbreak?
Ugly.
I got my hands full here on Benoit, but I'll stay with you as long as I can.
And now
Security
break through
cameras are
here.
still active. Is someone watching all this?
Ooh! Infected. Here's one one
Eating
eye
each
there.
other.
What? I'll call in and abort.
Negative. I can handle them.
I'll take full responsibility. Abort mission.
Advice received and ignored.
Don't let me come over there.
I'm not leaving until I get my hands on that mole. Over and out.
Dude. Sounds kind of like a dog. Really?
It's like the dead are coming back to life.
Stay calm.
They're coming out of the walls.
They are. Good. Now we go this way. Good. Pick up a key card.
How did it escalate like this?
I think the mole triggered it, but I can't be sure. Where is the security?
Okay, here we go.
Would have expected a response
Through
by
here.
now.
Open here. Oh my
What's
god.
that? Gun. Perfect.
Switch to
How nice of them to bring the explosive
red
barrels
barrels.
red.
Okay, now we gotta hit 2. Pew! I like how it is like a comic thing and it's just this pew as it explodes or does something.
This madness better not spread.
But it's contained to the labs, right?
Yes. Didn't see anything outside.
Oh, I shot his head off. I'm gonna reload my gun and go down here. Am I recording? I am still recording. Back to game. Okay. I know how to reload. R to reload.
I'm closing in. Radio silent. Delete it all. I need to share this. That wasn't what you said in your card. Save it. It
Ooh.
Pardon order, then the whole project's a failure. You want to topple the PGO? You do that by exposing them, not by turning terrorist.
No! Why'd you kill him?
Who is this? I'm the one who discovered your plan.
I'm the one
no.
who'll see an end to your monopoly on power. And I'm the one who will ferry you
And the rest of the Palm Garden Order to the Isle of the Dead. You can call me Karen.
Karen?
Okay.
What kind of supervillain name is that?
I love his
If I were
name.
you,
That's cool.
I'd worry about getting out of there instead.
Well, not his name, but his like accent. It makes his character. It just hits his character. It just hits his character home. Like hits it with a bat home. I'm sorry with like all the stuff in the background. One sec. Sorry for that. Okay, I'm gonna return. Look. Oh, the zombies! Oh, the zombies! I actually played this game before, and it is fun. It is free. One.
Target
Got him.
eliminated.
Then get to safety.
None of
Okay.
this was an accident. He was trying to remove data on a stick.
Then stay alive and reach the extraction point so we can take a look at it.
Agreed.
Good.
How could this have spread to the entire island? Weren't there any safeguards
Good.
in place?
Inside job.
Hold
or
shift.
pure incompetence.
And eat execute. Good. Boost! Boost! And run.
There's something following me. Something big.
I had to replay this part over and over and over again, I remember. Oh god. So now we're gonna go through the store.
Did you know about this? About this research?
No specifics. But there was talk about a breakthrough that would lead to the cure of something.
Oh my god, it just split his back.
Damn it! There's no way out.
No, there has to be.
I keep hearing, no, there's no way out. But there has to be. Oh. Okay, through the door and out.
I'll hide a copy of the data so you can extract it.
We'll find it, and we'll...
That's... Oh no.
I don't know if you can hear me, but I've stashed the data. The data is stashed. No!
No.
Rob,
No.
report. Don't make me come over there. Report.
Don't make me come over there. Oh my god. Oh, this is the part where it goes all weird. I'm not gonna tell you anything about it, but it just goes weird. Wait and see. Am I recording? Still recording. Stop and pause are on there. Just off the coast of Ben.
From locals about relatives on Banoi, a representative issued this statement.
The island of Banoi remains off limits due to unstable harbor conditions. Contractor negotiations continue in order to rebuild the harbor to accept boat traffic
That's
for
some
the
PR
foreseeable
bullshit
future.
if I ever heard it.
Here's a thought. Stop listening to the news.
We're about to be the news. Once we get this story, Cliff's dad is going to publish it worldwide.
Still haven't sobered up, huh?
That's the crazy part.
Hey, Cliff!
By the way, I'm him. Reason why you just see the thing jitter sometimes is I'm recording on my laptop. Ooh, walk to India. I know how to
Devin
walk.
wants to know if you're still drunk.
What? Quit daydreaming and get over here.
Oh. And shift should be run. Nope.
Don't tell me you were getting cold feet up there.
No. I was just spacing out. Deja vu kind of thing.
Yep. Still not sober.
Okay. What are you riding? Uh-huh, cool. Yeah, I get it. Cool news. Okay, bye.
Hey!
Kyle. That's your type?
Shut up. You're a douche.
They teach you that word in your fancy school?
I don't know. You have my notes. Now give it.
The douche abides.
So helpful. To make amends, you should go find my voice recorder. Please?
Uh-huh.
It's like, uh-huh.
It should be somewhere in the cabin.
Somewhere in the cabin. That could be anywhere. That could be in my thong.
Found it.
Don't even think about listening to it.
Of course not.
Day 1. This is crazy. I've been reading about Banoi and reports of zombies, if you can believe it, on the Rogue Wave forums, but I never thought I'd actually be in the middle of the story. Cliff's dad is going to be pissed we took his boat. But I think Cliff is kind of banking on that. And if we get the story, all's forgiven. At least I hope so, because it would suck if his dad sunk my career before it started.
You probably heard me. Listen to that. Okay. Hi, here's your voice recorder. Want
Thank you, kind sir.
Come game time, I want you to use that thing tenaciously, profusely, and, just talk to everyone.
Don't worry, I'm a ninja with this thing.
The ninja, the skipper, and the douche. Sailing the high seas for
Wait.
revenge and respect.
Shut up.
Just calling it like I see it.
I'm heading inside to record some notes. Too much background noise here.
Mm. Okay. Wait, what was it? Picked up the camera. Okay. I'm gonna move my setup soon, probably, maybe. I don't know.
It's been days since our last radio contact. There are sharks encircling us at every turn, and
No. Turns out if there was ever a quarantine in these waters, there's no sign of it now. Actually, we haven't seen any maritime traffic.
but at any second, things could go horribly wrong.
When they do go wrong, you'll go down with the ship.
No, actually, chivalry is dead. When you're out hunting zombies, it's every man for himself.
Time to film some
Okay.
B-roll. Come on. I promise I won't spend an hour perfecting the lighting. Again.
We're really doing this. So awesome.
40's camera, okay.
Now let me.
I'm the camera guy. You stick with your voice recorder.
Guys! I'm seeing land!
Keep on douching in the free world.
You love it.
That's it? I thought we'd attract some attention by now. Why is no one screaming at us to turn back?
That's because we're not going to Benoy.
We're not going to Benoy. I thought we were going to Benoy. Honestly, I thought we were going to the tropics, but Benoy sounds good to me. Hopefully there's no crazy things, no shrooms. Ooh, a ginormous shroom. I love this cutscene. It's so funny. Beach. I like how it's like beach.
It's amazing. It
It's
looks
amazing.
Just like Benoy. Perfect for B-roll.
Fans,
I'll scout some
the eye
locations.
on
never
his
knew it.
shirt.
But I've always wanted to come here. Too late to switch to journalism?
What would the art world do without you?
Right now, I don't really care.
So many bodies.
What?
Thought I heard Linda say something?
She's over there.
Talk to Linda. So I'm gonna go talk to Linda, and it actually doesn't really work on the sides. Where is Linda? Linda is over there, 48 meters away. What is that ginormous storage crate doing there? You're just staring at that giant storage crate. You have nothing to say about it.
Geofarm.
Not like, how'd this come here?
And here
It's
it is.
company.
Proof that Geofarm has a presence on Narapella.
Gotta hand it to you, Cliff. You nailed it. How did you know Geofarm would be here?
Stick with me, kid. You'll learn a few things.
Someone wrote help. Think they evacuated this container from Benoy?
Maybe whatever
Huh.
happened there happened here.
Fingers crossed.
What do I do? Talk to... Go to
Look at
her.
this place. Take some pictures, Cliff. Come on.
Okay. I'm gonna be a good photographer. Look. I'm gonna be the best that ever were. for? Where is it?
Let's photograph everything we can.
Especially the zombies.
If they show up, what would we use to defend ourselves?
I've got a little something stowed away. Don't you worry about that.
What? Cliff, stop slacking off with the camera and shoot some pics, alright?
Okay. Of what? In the ship? Maybe I have to do the... And stop. And camera.
So, I'll get the gear from the boat while you two do your thing.
Okay.
Have I taught you nothing? Work can always wait. Let's explore.
What do I take a picture of? That now. Ooh. What do I do? Over here? Okay, so I have no clue. I know it wants 3. Can I take 3 of whatever I... Stupid thing! Okay, hi Linda. Oh no. What's happening? Oh no.
Is that an earthquake?
No.
Think so. Pacific Rim, right?
Right.
I don't think it's okay. Okay. Everything alright? Oh, we got a map. A cardboard map. Why are you holding it like it's stiff? Oh no. I feel something bad's coming. Like a dinosaur. Oh no.
Hell?
Oh no. Something in our ship. I know.
Here now.
The boat. Hurry. Oh god. What in the world is happening?
sinking.
Cliff!
It's faster to swim.
Are you crazy?
Yeah.
Fuck. Hello?
His
Kevin?
head. Okay. What's happening? What
Oh,
the
my head.
happened?
How the hell?
What the?
Beach. Beach sounds like a good idea.
Where's the beach? Beach is up ahead. Okay. I might be in for a treat. It looks like tons of things fell, so. Oh, that's a zombie. That's a zombert.
Holy fuck.
The slammer shambler. Oh no. He has a beard. He's a butcher. He's butchering his head. My car.
Fuck.
What do I do? Control to... Okay. Ooh, a rope. I'm gonna come back up here. Yep, right there. Attach the rope. And on down I go. I can just get on the rope. Just rope it! I think this is a good point to leave it off. We have 1 more minute. Because it's saved, I'm leaving it off here. And I'm gonna go do another game, so... Guys, bye. Bye, I'll see you in the next one. Bye! Bye! You can suggest outros. I will take your input. I'll try it, see how it goes, see if I like it, and if I like it, then I'll use it. So, bye guys, see you in the next one.